Hey guys, this crypto she does it all, a little bit of everything. Semiconductor company Sequans is raising $200 million to buy Bitcoin. That's some good news. French chipmaker Sequans said it plans to accumulate 100,000 Bitcoin within 5 years in an aggressive treasury strategy. Okay, 100,000 Bitcoin? That's not bad. French semiconductor company Sequans Communications filed for a $200 million at the market equity offering on Monday to fuel its Bitcoin treasury strategy with a long-term aim to amass 100,000 Bitcoin by 2030. The program would allow the 4G and 5G chipmaker to issue American depository shares, US dollar denominated equity shares of a foreign company that are traded on US stock exchanges at its discretion, it said in a filing to the Securities and Exchange Commission on Monday. We intend to use it judiciously to optimize our treasury, increase Bitcoin per share, and deliver long-term value to shareholders, Sequans CEO George Karam said in a statement. Today we announced a new at-the-market equity program to support our long-term Bitcoin treasury strategy. Now listen guys, if you don't know, you don't know, but a lot of companies, a lot of people are adding more Bitcoin to their portfolios, and this is big for us investors that been there since the beginning. Okay, well, more or less. To me, 2021 was the beginning. That's when everything exploded and everything goes down, and then now somehow we know somehow in the future things gonna pick up again. We don't know when exactly, but my job is to add as much as I can to my portfolio and to get ready. Bitbo's Bitcoin treasury data shows the Paris-based company currently holds 3,171 Bitcoin, worth $349 million on its balance sheet, making it Europe's second largest corporate Bitcoin treasury after Germany's Bitcoin Group SE, which owns 12,387 Bitcoin. Sequans revealed its plan to use Bitcoin as a core treasury asset on June 23rd, joining a growing trend of publicly traded companies adopting the cryptocurrency as an inflation hedge and store of value. The number of public companies holding Bitcoin has risen to 174, up from fewer than 100 at the start of 2025. Sequans could notch 5,000 Bitcoin with the proceeds. The semiconductor company said the timing and volume of any share sales under the equity program would be at the company's discretion determined by market condition and other factors. Again, if you don't have Bitcoins, you better get you some Bitcoins, not financial advice. Foreign countries are adding Bitcoins to their portfolios. So why wouldn't you get some? Do you know where Bitcoin can hit one day? $400,000, $500,000, $1 million? Who knows? Okay. At current market price, 200 million could buy another 1,814 Bitcoin, bringing its total Bitcoin stash to nearly 5,000 Bitcoin, roughly the same amount Similar Scientific holds. Sequans closed Monday trading at 0.96, down 6.8% over the trading day. It has since risen 0.41% and after hour trading. Bitcoin treasury companies are buying the dip. Yes, they are. The $200 million equity offering comes amid a Bitcoin pullback to 110,045, 11.6% off the 124,517 all-time high it set on August 14th. The largest corporate Bitcoin holder Strategy scooped up another 3,081 Bitcoin on Monday, bringing its total to 632,400 457. Let's see. Yeah, 632,457 Bitcoin were Meta Planet bought 103 Bitcoin to start the week. Again, guys, the big guys are scooping Bitcoin on a red day. If you can afford it, not financial advice, you need to scoop. I don't care if it's 0.01. Get you something, because those guys are buying. They know something we don't know about, and it is time for you to do your research. You can get a little Bitcoin, get a little Ethereum, Solana, XRP, XLM, HBAR, all those. BNB, Binance, because you just never know what can happen in the next month, years to come. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.